Community-Based Participatory Action Research or CPAR program of the DA Bureau of Agricultural Research, BAR, was introduced in Oroquieta City in April 2012. With CPAR, a seed money in the amount of 156,000 pesos was granted and divided equally to the 3 pioneering barangays.
Amo gi-encourage ang mga farmers nga magtanom sila o mais ilalong sa kalubian, magtanom og saging ilalong sa kalubian, kakao ug diin. Kami nga taga City Agriculture Office nagkandak na dahil nila og training.
With the desire to boost the production of the farmers, Oroquieta CAFO was able to link them with the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE for additional funds. Granted with an amount of 500,000 pesos, the group have expanded to 4 additional barangays, growing mostly organic banana or cardava and cacao. Oroquieta City is a coconut-based province with a total of 8,038 hectares. With this, the local government has initiated a coconut processing for the value-adding of seed crop. In 2018, the Misamis Occidental Provincial LGU has provided the groups with customized oven known as Pugun, while Oroquieta City LGU also provided them with the utensils and bottles they can use for the processing and packaging of their products.
Antaw ug maningkamot lang dili kita mapasmuhan ilabi na gikaron nga ang ato ang gobyerno nga andam sila mosuporta sa mga farmer. Nakapahuman po ko sa ako ang duha ka mga bata gani karon dili sa pagpanghinambog. Ang isa tuwa na sa Canada, so ang isa na nas Manila gawiting na sa Tawag. So malipayon kayo ko nga usa ko na member nining CPAR.
During the Bureau of Agricultural Research National Technology Forum on August 14 in the same year, the Oroquieta City Cocosos once again bested 16 product entries and received a grant award of 5 million pesos worth of project. The Farmers Association has established a partnership with the Oroquieta Coconut Cooperative or Orococo, which serve as consolidator of the CPAR farmers' processed products. Farmers' products labeled at the Orococo were displayed in the hub for visitors, tourists, guests, trainees, and walk-in clients. Amidst COVID-19 pandemic, they further strengthened their marketing strategies through online platform or selling through Facebook page.
Naka-in kami, nakatabang mi sa among mga membro o lakip na sa mga katawhan. Kinahanglan usab nga mo salmuta sa maong Community Farmers Association nga gikopon sa ato nga panggobyerno para matabangan usab